cheese, school, machine. Do you find anything same in these three words? Yes, the letters CH. These two letters, when put together, make three different sounds, like k, in school, sh in machine, and ch in cheese. Now, if you're confused where to pronounce these two letters and how, then watch my full video today, because in my video today I would be showing you examples of how to pronounce these two letters and where these two letters change their sounds. If you're also confused about the pronunciation of letter T and H when they're put together, then you can watch my video. The link is given here. Click here to watch my another video where I show examples and pronunciation of TH letter words. This is Irene from DOUCHE. CH, when put together in words like change, challenge, choice, watch, match, catch, cheese, church, they make the sound ch, ch. But these two letters, again, when put together in words like character, school, stomach, chaos, they make the sound k, k, k. And again, in words like mustache, chef, douche, cliché, machine, they make the sound sh, sh. Now these are a few examples of how these letters keep changing their sound. I hope it helps. If it does, you know what you have to do. Hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe it and keep sharing, because sharing is caring. This is Irene. Assalamu alaikum. Bye bye.